Okay, Jamosh, here is how you do the litter box. This normally goes under here, okay? Actually, this part going to the front. So what I do is I line it up with a bag, and I'm gonna leave you a good number of bags here anyway. Let's take one of these bags, kind of line it up. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Well, I'll line it up first, then show it to you. And you just push it under there. Or you push it under there. And the thing does it by itself, but this is basically what it does. Right now, there's no debris, so there's not going to be any action, but and whatever clumps are there, it just dumps it in that bag. It typically is about 3-4 days. It is full. So if you come every 3-4 days and just change that, and you can add more of this. Right now I have very little, but I'm gonna ask mommy to get some more of those so that you can add litter to it. Now for the food, I already have food in these. They're all full. And I have these little boxes, they're full. And I have this bag just in case. Their water thing is here. I'm gonna fill it up. But, you know, make sure that it's kind of full when you're leaving. It automatically rotates itself. If you're gonna be more than 2 days, I would recommend that you also add dry food into these things so that they wouldn't be hungry. Okay, and that's pretty much it. You should use this front door. I'm not gonna lock the top part, so you can use this part to get in. I'll show you where kind of the building is. When you get to the street, I am at the corner of the first building. Okay. You can always also use the porch door to get in. And over there are mailboxes. If you could, just once a week, empty mailbox. I'm at apartment 101, okay? And you basically come in this side. I'm 101. I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. Let me unzoom it. And let me show you again the entrance. Okay. I'm leaving the windows here open. The window here and window here, so that the place would air out. If you need to use the bathroom, it's here. I know it's a mess, but hey, you don't have to use it. And make sure that you leave these lights on. In fact, I'm gonna leave them on, so you just don't touch them. Not these. These. And once you're in the kitchen, the so-called laundry room is actually where they're gonna do their little thing, okay? And if you need anything else, ask mommy, all right? I'll leave the keys with mommy. Thank you for doing this, baby.